Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Zelle with Citizens Bank mobile app step by step clearly. Open the Citizens Bank mobile app on your device. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Payments option in the main menu. Select Zelle from the list of payment options. If this is your first time using Zelle, tap on Get Started. Read through the terms and conditions, then agree to them to proceed. Next, you will need to link your email address or mobile number to your Zelle account. Enter your email address or mobile phone number, then tap Continue. You may receive a verification code via email or SMS. Enter the verification code in the app to confirm your information. Once verified, you can choose a recipient for your payment. Tap on Send Money to initiate a transfer. Enter the recipient's email address or mobile number. Input the amount you wish to send. Add a note or message for the recipient if desired. Review the payment details to ensure everything is correct. Tap Send to complete the transaction. You will receive a confirmation that your payment has been sent. To view your transaction history, return to the Payments section. If you need to send more money, repeat the process as needed. That's how you use Zelle with the Citizens Bank mobile app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.